What if aging isn't just about the number of candles on your birthday cake? What if your body's real age, your biological age, could actually move backward? And what if the secret isn't hidden in expensive supplements or trendy superfoods, but in simple forgotten foods our grandparents ate regularly? After 50, many people notice subtle changes: lower energy, stiff joints, slower metabolism, duller skin, and longer recovery times. You might even wonder, is this just how it's supposed to be now? But science suggests something hopeful. The way you eat can influence inflammation, gut health, muscle preservation, and even how your cells age. Let's explore three powerful, yet often overlooked foods that can help support a younger biological age naturally. First, fermented foods. Before refrigerators and preservatives, fermentation was survival. Today it's becoming a forgotten art. Foods like homemade yogurt, kefir, sauerkraut, and traditional pickles are rich in beneficial bacteria that support your gut microbiome. Why does that matter after 50? Because your gut isn't just about digestion. It's deeply connected to your immune system, inflammation levels, and even brain health. As we age, the diversity of gut bacteria tends to decline. This imbalance can lead to chronic inflammation, often called inflammaging. Could your fatigue or joint stiffness be linked to what's happening in your gut? Fermented foods help repopulate healthy bacteria, improve nutrient absorption, and strengthen your immune defenses. When your gut works better, your body ages better. Second, sardines. Yes, sardines, the small, oily fish many people ignore. They may not look glamorous, but they are one of the most nutrient-dense foods on the planet, packed with omega-3 fatty acids, vitamin D, calcium, and high-quality protein. Sardines directly support muscle maintenance, bone strength, and heart health. Three areas that become critical after 50. Omega-3 areas reduce inflammation at the cellular level. Chronic inflammation speeds up biological aging, damages blood vessels, and increases the risk of disease. Meanwhile, the protein in sardines helps preserve lean muscle mass, which naturally declines with age. Have you noticed feeling weaker than you did a decade ago? Muscle loss isn't just cosmetic. It affects metabolism, balance, and longevity. And here's something even more impressive. Sardines contain CoQ10, a compound that supports mitochondrial function. Your mitochondria are the power plants of your cells. When they function well, you feel energetic. When they decline, you feel older. Supporting them is like restoring your body's internal battery. Third, lentils. In a world obsessed with fancy protein powders and exotic grains, humble lentils are often forgotten. But these small legumes are powerful allies in the fight against biological aging. They are rich in plant protein, fiber, iron, magnesium, and polyphenols, antioxidants that protect your cells from damage. After 50, blood sugar regulation becomes more important than ever. Spikes in blood sugar accelerate glycation, a process that damages collagen and speeds up visible aging. Lentils have a low glycemic index, meaning they release glucose slowly into the bloodstream. This helps stabilize energy levels and protect your tissues from premature aging. But here's the deeper truth. No single food is magic on its own. The real transformation happens when these foods become part of a consistent pattern. Imagine starting your day with probiotic-rich yogurt, adding lentils to your lunch, and enjoying sardines a few times a week. Small changes repeated over time create powerful results. Ask yourself, are you feeding your body in a way that supports longevity? Or are you eating in a way that accelerates decline? Aging may be inevitable, but accelerated aging is not. The beauty of these forgotten foods is that they are affordable, accessible, and natural. They don't promise overnight miracles. Instead, they work quietly, reducing inflammation, stabilizing blood sugar, strengthening muscles, and nourishing your cells. And perhaps that's the real secret to de-aging after 50. Not chasing extreme diets, not starving yourself, not relying on synthetic shortcuts, but returning to simple, traditional foods that support the body's natural repair systems. So the next time you shop for groceries, pause and ask, am I choosing foods that make me older, or foods that help me feel younger from the inside out? Because sometimes the path to turning back your biological clock isn't forward into the newest trend. It's backward into the wisdom we almost forgot. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel.